up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, The Quinice Show. Y'all, by the time the video and that thumbnail, y'all know what time it is, what it's time to do. Y'all know I just went back to work. So I haven't been able to get to the grocery store like I want to. Y'all know y'all overdue for like a grocery type of vlog. We haven't been in a few days, it feels like, but it's been like a couple weeks, so it's time to get everything back in order. If you haven't already, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, turn on those post notifications on so you never miss when your girl drops a video. Go ahead and subscribe to my other channel, The Quinice Ravon. I'll go ahead and drop that down below. But your girl is at work. There's my little work area. I'll show y'all. See over there, I'm busy. So your girl's at work. I have a 15-minute break right now, so I thought I might as well make a video of me cleaning out my refrigerator because I do have a grocery haul from Walmart coming later tonight. But I had to do a grocery pickup because y'all, life has been life, and it's time to get back to our normal scheduled programs over here. But this is our refrigerator. This is what we're working with. I gotta clean all this out. I'm gonna try to do it before I go back to work because I'm on break right now. But it's literally a mess. Get everything in order, but this is what we're working with. Let me stand back so y'all can see. It's a mess right now. Everything's everywhere. And then our pantry is like empty. This is empty to me. You probably think it's a lot of stuff in here. I think it's empty, but you know, we gotta get everything back in order. But I want to do this while I had a little time to do it. Okay, can y'all see? Okay. Have a lot going on, but y'all only have a few minutes to try to wipe this out because, like I said, I'm on like a little break. We're gonna start with the refrigerator first because, as y'all can see, it definitely needs it. It's horrible. It's horrible, horrible, horrible. It definitely needs it. I do have a timer set. I'll probably, as y'all can see, have some cheeses in here. I'll pitch this one, because, yeah, you don't need it. This one's so good. I need to get a new bacon soda, y'all. These are my onions. I have my onions in here. And I have some cilantro, but I'm gonna keep this stuff. I'm gonna pitch the mozzarella cheese. Alright. I'm just gonna use pasta and just a rag to really get with this. And that's what we gonna do. I swear, my kids, who else kids leave stuff open? Like, mine always does. Okay, this is the Fabulosa that I'm using. And then I normally put like a little bleach on it. Just regular Clorox bleach is what I'm gonna use. And y'all, just my dish towel is what I'm using. Nothing special. I don't have no like special like cleaning stuff. It's just really self-explanatory. But I know that I have groceries coming today. It's not really a lot, but I've been trying to do like weekly grocery shopping hauls. So we're probably gonna switch to doing that instead of going like every week. Because y'all, I noticed that I be always buying a lot of food and the kids are just wasting it. Like, it don't get eaten in a timely manner, especially my fruit, y'all. Like, my fruit especially. It definitely don't get eaten in a timely manner. So I told myself, that I'm just gonna start doing it every week. Just start meal planning. So comment down below some recipes, some easy recipes that I can do, because I definitely need it. Just to save time. Alright, let's do okay. Where am I? We have 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes. My refrigerator is not bad. We I really try to keep it organized. I really do. But we just been throwing stuff in there. Been on the go. So y'all haven't had time to really clean like I want to. But I told myself I wanted to start really cleaning up my breaks. Because when I get off work, y'all, I don't want to do anything. I'll be so tired. And I work from home, but it's just draining because I work in customer service. So dealing with people on a daily basis is a lot. Definitely is a lot. That's why the kids don't be keeping the lids on anything. They really don't. I normally don't like my condiments down there. It's starting to look better already. Okay. hate taking this out. Oh. This one's not that bad. Well, it's not that bad at all. To be honest. I'm gonna leave the big bowls in here, guys, because that has, what does that have in there? It has the taco stuff that I made last night. So I'm gonna leave those bowls in here. They're still eating on that stuff. This is definitely a workout. It definitely is. Alright, let's do the middle show. I swear, having a house full of boys is definitely not for the weak. Alright, milk. This bacon is bad. We've had that for forever. Take that out, even though it doesn't need it. Gotta keep it out. That one has like 1 piece of meat left in it. We know we're stocked up on butter, that's for sure. Okay, that's how we're looking for the refrigerator. It looks a lot better. We threw all that away. Trust me, that's old, y'all. It has been in there for a minute. We're looking a lot better. We're ready for our haul to get here. I'll be back when we're about to start the freezer. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start with the freezer. You see how it looks. I think I showed y'all this earlier, but I'll show y'all again. So let's go ahead and pull all this out because, yeah. It needs to come out. Okay. This is just. Okay, our freezer is cleaned out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put everything back that we have. We have pretzels still. Y'all probably like, how do you know what's in these bags? Baby, I cook it all the time. These are pork chops. I would merge them, but they're frozen shut. These are more pork chops. So we gonna keep all that. Y'all see, I still don't have a deep freezer. I'm gonna get one eventually. We have a lot of pork chops. I'm gonna have to make some of my pork chops. Because I have a lot of pork chops. A lot of pork chops. Okay, y'all, let me go ahead and show y'all. We are done. That's how our refrigerator is looking. I want to thank you guys for cleaning out my refrigerator and, well, not deep freezer, but my freezer and my refrigerator out with me today. Y'all hear Legacy, y'all know I got to get off here. But if you haven't already, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in our next video. Bye, y'all.